Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to discuss two very common hybrid battery warning codes, the insulation fault and the replace hybrid battery pack message. And I will explain the complete practical method to diagnose, repair, balance, and reassemble a hybrid battery step by step. This video is especially useful for hybrid vehicle owners, mechanics, and auto electricians who want to repair hybrid batteries professionally instead of replacing the entire pack. First, let's understand why these fault codes appear. Hybrid batteries are made of multiple battery modules connected together to produce high voltage. Over time, moisture, corrosion, heat, and aging cause some modules to weaken. When voltage difference between battery blocks increases, the hybrid control computer detects imbalance and displays the replace battery pack warning. On the other hand, if electricity leaks from the high voltage system to the vehicle body due to damaged insulation, water contamination, or wiring problems, the system generates an insulation fault, and sometimes the car refuses to go into ready mode for safety. Now we start with battery inspection. Before opening the battery, always remove the service plug and follow high voltage safety precautions. After opening the pack, you will often see corrosion or carbon buildup on the terminals. This corrosion creates resistance and causes voltage drop, which leads to false battery errors. Therefore, the first important step is cleaning. Remove all bus bars and terminal connections carefully and clean them using petrol or electrical contact cleaner. After cleaning, dry everything completely, because even small moisture can trigger insulation problems. Next comes the most important part: testing individual battery modules. A hybrid battery typically contains around 28 modules connected in series. Each module must be checked one by one using a multimeter set to DC voltage. Prepare a chart or table and write down the voltage reading of every module. Recording values is very important because visual inspection alone cannot tell which modules are weak. After measuring all modules, compare the readings. Strong modules will show higher voltage, while weak modules will show slightly lower voltage. Instead of replacing the entire battery pack, we can balance the system by pairing stronger modules with slightly weaker ones. This balancing technique allows the battery blocks to maintain similar voltage levels so the hybrid computer does not detect abnormal variation. However, modules with very low voltage or physical damage must still be replaced. During reassembly, correct polarity arrangement is critical. Always follow the original sequence of positive and negative terminals. Many technicians become confused during installation, which results in new fault codes even after repair. Mark the modules properly and assemble them exactly in order. Tighten all connections evenly to prevent heat buildup and future failures. Now let's talk about insulation testing. To check insulation leakage, set the multimeter appropriately and place the black probe on the battery metal body. Then touch the red probe to each positive and negative terminal one by one. If voltage or continuity appears between a terminal and the body, it indicates current leakage. In such cases, inspect insulation sheets, wiring harnesses, sensors, and surrounding components. Sometimes the problem is not inside the battery, but in external parts like the electric AC compressor or damaged wiring connected to the hybrid system. Once cleaning, testing, balancing, and insulation checks are completed, carefully reassemble the battery pack. Install it back into the vehicle, reconnect all connectors, clear diagnostic trouble codes, and perform a road test. In many cases, the replace hybrid battery pack warning disappears because the battery becomes electrically balanced again. This method saves a significant amount of money because replacing a complete hybrid battery is very expensive, while proper diagnosis allows you to repair only the faulty modules. The key to successful repair is accurate testing, proper cleaning, correct module pairing, and careful reassembly. I hope this detailed narration helps you understand hybrid battery repair in a simple and practical way. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.